from Shein. I mean, what? Okay. All right, look at here. This is the first one. You can see the numbers here on it. Come on, camera, focus. There you go. You turn it right side up. And both of them are braid wigs. It's summertime, y'all. And I'm fit to be 27 again. So look at this. Okay, this is how it looks. Let me let y'all see the braids. Them braids are nice. Look at her. And they go, and it's really long. It's tied around with a ponytail at the end. And that hairline. Girl, Shein doing wigs. What? Okay, look at here. You get 2 combs, 3 combs in the top. And you get 1 comb in the back. Right there. And an adjustable band. And then you got a little lace in the back. And a little lace across the top. So, let's just put it on and see what it's looking like. I know this lace in the back is just, it's just there, you know. That's all I can say about that. I don't know why, you know, companies do that. I guess they think, I don't know, maybe some people like their lace in the back and they do them little hot uptail ponytails. But I ain't feeling having my hair stuck to the back of my neck, so it ain't that serious for me yet. But yeah, let me get this lace cut off around the edges and I'll be right back. I was cutting this lace and I noticed instead of that white clear ashy lace, it's got a little brown to it. You notice that? That's how it looks on my arm. Okay, let me go ahead and get it off so we can see how it's gonna look on my head. I got all the lace off. I'm just gonna dust it with my Fenty powder. You know, even though it's, you know, it ain't gonna be my skin tone. I want it to be my skin tone. Even though it's a little brown, it might fit somebody, but I don't think it'll fit me. So, I mean, ain't nothing else to do but put this baby on. I already got my little hair picked up in a little wig thing. Let's see. I'm waiting to see what this look like. I just gotta know. Oh. Oh. Y'all, why you ain't tell me she ain't had wigs? This is nice. And it really looks like braids. And I ain't sprayed it or nothing. Nothing. And they was on point with leaving that little bitty hair out. Not so much as to make baby hairs, but to make it look like, you know, somebody's hair. And not, you know, somebody else's hair that was made in a shop or something. This is cute. Oh, this is really cute. Girl, this is so cute. I'm not going to spray it down, y'all, because look at how I got them baby hairs looking like it's mine. Oh, my goodness. And it's snug. It's snug. Girl, this is nice. Look at that little ponytail. Let me turn around so I can see how it look in the back. This is cute. Ooh. Ooh, Shein. Girl, my daughter might not get this one. I said, ooh, this is nice. It look like braids. I ain't put nothing in the parts. Y'all saw what I did. I just put it on my head. Look at that. Girl. Girl, y'all know I think I'm too cute right now. You know I think I'm too cute right now, right? With some braids. It took 5 minutes. No, all that sitting there pulling, tugging on my head. I got some braids. Honey, baby. Yeah, honey, you coming out and with me this summer to somebody barbecue. Okay. All right, I ain't gonna do nothing to it, y'all, because I think I want to wear the other one, and we got another unit to, you know, the other wig to put on. I'm gonna put this one right here on a wig stand so she can get her life together. And But when I'm ready to put on, she gonna have my little head shape molded just right. This is so cute. Dang, now I wish I had wore this one today. Oh, wow, that's cute. Okay, okay. Let me pull out the other one. Hold on. This is what this one says. Yeah, I was into the braid natural look. It's gonna be summer. I want to be, you know, in that number. I want to be in the running, looking good and cute and sexy in my little summer style and not looking my age. I'm gonna act it, but I don't have to look like it, okay? This is, you know, it just took me back when I saw it and I had to have it. Look at those braids though. Shein though, Shein. Okay. All right, look at this. And then the back of it is just a little fro. And this, I just had to have it. When I saw it, I had to have it. And again, the lace is that, you know, it's got a little tinge of brown, not a lot, but it's not that white lace, you know, that we have been seeing. And this one has a little thicker band on it. That's what it looks like. And let's see if we got any combs. Do you get, yep, you got 2 combs on the side. This one is kind of, you know, we got an afro, so we got to struggle with this one to get it turned inside out. Oh, come on here, wig. All right, that's what we look like. That's about how much lace we got. You got quite a bit of lace in this one. Yes. And you got a comb in the back. And you got 2 combs on the side. Okay, and your adjustable strap. Baby! Y'all ain't telling me nothing. Can y'all tell? Don't I have the big head? Because I sure got the big head. Let me get some of this powder. And I'm going to put it inside of this cap. And color this lace. Well, you know, I ain't really coloring it, but it's getting it to my color. Where it looks like me. It looks like it's a part of my scalp and my skin. That's what I'm going for. Okay, guys. I got all of the lace cut off. So let's see what this Miss Afro girl gonna look like. Oh, they put in the right spot. They put the little adjustable strap really low and in the right spot, girl. Y'all see it already? Ooh, I'm getting the 70s vibe. Bringing it back, honey. Girl, this little baby hair got to go though. Yeah, I ain't vibing on this little baby hair. I'm gonna have to play with it or cut it up or something. We ain't seeing the eye to eye. we not seeing eye to eye right now. Me and this little baby hair situation. I got to do something with this. Yeah, this got to go, honey. This got to go. Let's see if that little cut down. Yeah, that's better. Cause all that hair, baby, no. Yeah. I don't want to mess it up because I like the wig, but that all this little stuff here is doing too much. Now, a little mousse on it. I might have to cut it some more. I just don't want to mess it up, trying to be in a hurry to show y'all, and then it be all messed up, you know? Y'all know what I mean. Because I can't really see what I'm doing because I'm trying to, you know, sit in front of the camera. I don't want to mess this baby up here. Oh, this is too cute. She just needs some little bitty hairs like that. If they would go ahead on and lay down and do like they're supposed to. You know, I just want them to be, I don't want them to be swirled and all that mess. I just want them to be, you know, just kind of laying there like some good nappy hair, you know? swirls. I just want you to lay down, baby. Because I don't know why if they was going to put this here, it should have been nappy like the back. You know, we got all textures. That's true. I will have that. But, baby, we ain't got all textures, you know, with no good straight hair in the front and nappy hair in the back. We ain't got that. We might have pieces of straight hair throughout the nappy hair, but y'all know what I'm saying. I sprayed that all up in there. Because I'm wearing this all day. Come on here, lay down. Lay down and act right. I might have to put a band on this one, y'all, because I want to cut all this hair off. I just want it to do right. I'm going to tie it down for a minute. Yes, honey, yes. You can't tell me this ain't 77. Shoot. 75, 74, hell, 68. I love this. Okay, I know it's gonna be a lot of y'all, a few of y'all, a couple of y'all who don't, but baby, I bring back anything old is new. Look at the bell bottoms. They rocking the heck out of them. And the polyester, okay? I ain't with it, but it's here, okay? So, I like this. I'm gonna go let this sit for a while and melt in, and then I'm gonna come back for the final look, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I gotta scoot back. My hair too tall, okay? Look here, so y'all can see, look. It's got them little knots at the top. Y'all see the little twist? Girl, this is cute. This is cute. I let it sit. Maybe it's been about 5 minutes. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. I ain't want no, you know, no style to it at all. I just wanted to lay down and just do this little thing like that. That's cute. Y'all, I like this. I like this. I love this. And look at the color of the lace on my scalp. Well, on my cap. You know, I got on a wig cap, then I got another cap on. And baby, it's laying there. It is laying there. I like this. This is cute. This is me. This is my vibe. You know what? I could put some, let's see. See if I can find a small brush. Let me scoop back up some, y'all. If I can find a small brush. This is too big. I just wanted to find a small, tiny brush to go in on the dots. Y'all see, you can see the knots pretty good. I just want to go in on them a little bit. Make them look a little more natural. Whoever did these braids, baby, I need you to come on over and hook your girl up, cause braiding your behind off over there, honey. Girl, them braids, they so neat and clean. Oh, that did help a lot, didn't it? I like this. I'm rocking this all day today and tomorrow. All day today and tomorrow. Put some mousse on there so I can get that extra little bit. If I had time, I'd tie it down again. I just want to get all that extra powder that I put on there, you know, got it on the braids. I want to get that off. This is cute. This is so cute. I'm sorry I'm still talking, y'all, but I want to get it kind of right, because we going to be me and you. this hair, we gonna be together today, honey. Me and this hair, we gonna be like this. Like this. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right there. Just a little swoop. I don't want no baby hair. I just want a little swoop. Yeah. That still look like baby hair, but it is what it is. I don't care. I don't care. I just want to wear this hair. Oh, I ain't show y'all the back, did I? And it fit good. It fit real good. Real snug. I don't feel like a strong wind gonna come by and take it. Let me scoot back so y'all can see the back. Girl. Girl. Okay. 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 Wait. Let me turn around. How it look, y'all? How it look? It look good, don't it? Don't it? It look good. I know it look good. It look good. Look at this. Even when you, it just looks so natural to be in this synthetic hair. Like, what? Where? This synthetic? Baby, I'm rocking this. I am rocking this. Okay, that's it. I'm finna get out of here. I will see you guys in the next video. Yes, I did get some clothes in. So we got Shein clothing haul coming. I gotta do whatever it is I can, girl, while I wait on my Sephora haul. They done dogged me again. And I ordered on the first night. So anyway, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.